Okay, sir.
Right there on the end. Okay, come on. Yeah.
Bing, bang, bang, bang.
How are you?
Let's
Do
do
that
it.
again. She said, pick me, pick me, pick me. What's your name? Naya. Very lovely name for a lovely princess. So when I am drawing Cinderella, I have to think about, how she poses and how she moves to get inspired. Yes? So will you pose like a princess for me? Yes? Can you do it? Yes? Give me 5. All right. One foot out like that. Hands out like this. And head up and smile like a princess. Oh, give her a big hand, everybody. Okay, please. That's perfect.
All right, Sir Sean, from the far-off kingdom of Glendale.
That's your sister right there.
Make a muscle for me.
That's your sister right there.
Very impressive. You put that right here, like so. And then freeze. Now, when I draw, I listen to the character's voice for my inspiration. Like when Hercules says, I'm the most famous person in all of Greece, I'm an action figure.
Or what about when Rafiki says, "Asante sana, squash a banana, we me a pana," right? No.
What about when Sleeping Beauty says they say if you dream a thing more than once, it's sure to come true?
Hey, Sean.
Yeah.
I've got a great idea.
What?
Could you try and say Woody's famous line, reach for the sky, just like Woody?
What?
It's off.
Check, check. It's on. It says on right there. Could you try and say Woody's famous line, reach for the sky, just like Woody?
What?
Am I stuttering? Come on, repeat it after me. Reach for the sky. How easy was that? I know it's not working, ladies and gentlemen.